Can you guys tell why you always title your YouTube shorts like CBMU CMBU CMUB? Please guys tell me like your YouTube shorts title is not funny at all. Comment down below who's your favorite YouTuber, but also why are you guys begging for likes and subscribes and comments? Share, and guys make sure to report bots who comments on random famous YouTubers.